Hi, my name is Tomas Helikar. I'm a professor in the Department of Biochemistry at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, and I teach a computational modeling class to upper undergraduate biochemistry and biology students. As we have entered this new era of AI, it has made me really think about how students learn and also how we as educators teach our students. This semester, I used a new application called AI.Prof that really takes the advantage of AI and uplevels how students can learn and also uplevels how I as an educator can increase my value as an educator to obviously opportunities for students is that we can synthesize our information and knowledge substantially faster using AI now. Continuing lectures through slides and presentations is no longer the appropriate way of conveying information to students because, as I said earlier, they can do it much more efficiently now. With using AI.Prof, I'm able to have students submit their assignments, projects, exams to the AI-powered technology. And then what it does is that it's able to probe the students on mechanistic and logical reasoning. And so with this technology, it's able to actually dig deeper and make students really think about the reasoning behind what they're submitting, what they're learning. And so that gives us huge opportunities for, number one, it takes care of the grading mental overload, and especially at scale. But at the same time, it becomes a very scalable, personalized mentorship technology for the student. It's also multimodal in a way that it doesn't just check for right or wrong answers, but it's able to converse with the student to understand how the student is able to problem solve or to reason about what it is that they're learning. And so it's bridging this gap between the grades and the reasoning, which is, of course, what's necessary for students when they enter the workforce. And so I used AI.Prof, and I am planning to deploy the technology in my entire class next time I teach it.